Okay, so just to provide a little bit of context here, the car has 130,000 kilometers, and I think that's about 80,000 miles, and it's negative 30 up in Canada. So this is what we're talking about. This is a cold start, early in the morning. I think I didn't even start the car once, and you'll hear what the cabin noise of the engine actually sounds like. There's a bit of a slow start that happens and odd noises at the beginning, but other than that, everything is expected.
The next day.